Welcome to Way to Commerce. Subscribe to Way to Commerce. Today we discuss about time value of money problems. This is the IPCC practice manual. Now we discuss the first question 1, compound interest formula. Calculate if 10,000 rupees is invested at interest rate of 12% per annum. What is the amount after 3 years? What is the amount after 3 years? Compounding of interest is done. Okay. Asking future value. What is the formula for future value? Present value into 1 plus I by whole power n. This is the formula. Now we substitute numbers. Asking annually, semi-annually, quarterly. Annually means normal. Present value into 1 plus I whole power n. Substitute numbers. Present value how much? 10,000 rupees into 1 plus, what is the interest rate? 12%. That means 0.12 whole power n, that means 3 years. Next, semi-annually. Substitute numbers. 10,000 rupees principal amount into 1 plus I. Semi-annually means 0.12, that means 12% written as 0.12. This is the interest rate. By semi-annually means how many times in a year compounded? Semi-annually means 6 months, that means in a year 2 times. That means by 2 by how many years? 3 years. And also how many times compounded in a year? 2 times. That means 10,000 1 plus 0.12 by 2 into 6. Next, quarterly. Substitute numbers for quarterly. 10,000 into 1 plus, what is the interest rate? 0.12. How many times compounded? Quarterly means 4 quarters in a year. By 4 n, under 3 years into how many times in a year? 4 times. So we can get the answer. So this is the question number 1. Now we see one time answer. So principal amount 10,000 rupees, rate of interest 12% per annum, number of years 3 years time period. So annually 10,000 1 plus 0.12 annually, that means 3. Here semi-annually, that means 6. Quarterly, that means 4, 12. Okay, it's normal, normal and simple problem. This is the revision class, that's why. Okay. Question number 2. A person is required to pay 4 equal annual payments of 4,000 rupees each in his deposit account that pays 10% interest per year. Find out the future value of annuity at the end of 4 years. This is the annuity problem. Here telling the person pays 4 equal annual payments. 4 equal annual payments, 4,000 rupees each. How much? 4,000 rupees each in his deposit account. That pays 10% interest rate per year. Find out the future value of annuity. What is the formula for future value of annuity? Future value of annuity equal to 1 plus I whole power n minus 1 by I. So this is the formula. Just substitute the numbers, we can get answer. Okay, so here A equal to 4,000 rupees, 1 plus interest rate is I is 10%, that means 0.10 by n means 4 years, 4 minus 1 by 0.10. This is the formula. We can get this amount. This is the future value. They are asking future value of annuity, that's why this is the answer. Okay, third problem involves annuity table also, that's why we discuss last. Next, fourth problem. A doctor is planning to buy an X-ray machine for his hospital. He has two options. One is he can either purchase it by making a cash payment of 5 lakhs rupees. That means cash payment of 5 lakh rupees. Or 6 lakhs 15,000 rupees are to be paid in 6 equal installments. Which option do you suggest to the doctor, assuming the rate of return is 12%, present value of annuity of 1 rupee at 12% rate of discount for 6 years is 4.111, also given. So that's why we can easily calculate. Option 1, what is option 1? He can pay 5 lakhs rupees as down payment immediately, or 6 lakh 15,000 rupees in 6 equal annual installments. First of all, we have to find out one annual installment, and now we use present value of annuity formula. Okay, so the option 1, cash down payment 5 lakhs rupees, this is the option 1. Next, annual installment, so 6 lakh 15,000 rupees is the for 6 installments, that's why we have to find out each installment equal to how much? 1,02,500. Okay, already annuity factor is given for 12% into how much? 4.111. What is the answer? 4,21,378. So this is the amount, present value amount. So now which is beneficial? By paying cash immediately 5 lakhs rupees, by paying in installments, the total amount to be paid is 4,21,378. So it is the better option. That's why the doctor should buy X-ray machine on installment basis, because the present value of cash outflows is lower than cash down payment. This means option 2 is better than the option 1. Next, question number 5. Ascertain the compound value and compound interest of an amount of 75,000 rupees at 8% compound semi-annually for 5 years. So this is also easy formula, easy problem. So compound value, what is the formula? P into 1 plus I whole power n. Okay, what is the amount? Present value 75,000 rupees into 1 plus I, that means 8% compounded semi-annually. Semi-annually means 2 times in a year, that means 0.08 by 2. Okay, 5 years into, in a year how many times compounded? 2 times. So this is the answer. So 75,000 principal amount 1 plus 0.08, we can written as 8% also, 8 by 100 into 2. This type also we can write 5 into 2. Now we can get compound value 1,11,015 rupees. Now asking compound interest, that's why compounded value minus principal amount, we can get compound interest. Okay, next, sixth problem. It also as it is as first problem, annually, semi-annually asking. X is invested 2,40,000 at annual rate of interest of 10%. What is the amount after 3 years if the compounding it is done annually, semi-annually? It's a normal problem, already discussed in first one. So principal amount 2,40,000, 10% interest rate, 3 years. So 3 years compounding annually, that means 2 times in a year. So this is the problems.